Bonjour, je m'appelle Sniti, je suis ton professeur de français et aujourd'hui nous apprenons les solutions des cahiers d'exercice. Well, today we are going to start with the workbook solutions of lesson 4, which is leçon 4, deviner, that means to guess. Here we are the question number 1, that is retrouver les phrases et poser des questions. In this, we need to retrieve or unjumble these sentences and pose the question. As you already know, in lesson number 4, we have learned to do so. Firstly, we have is qu'est-ce que c'est, which means what is this or what are these, and qui est, which is for who is this or who are these. So here we are the part 1, which is un, a, crayon, c apostrophe, which is qu'est-ce que c'est un crayon. That means what is this? It's a pencil. Bicyclette, a, c apostrophe, une. So the answer is, what is this? It's a bicycle. Qu'est-ce que c'est une bicyclette. Then we have is son, voiture, des, ce. So, qu'est-ce que c'est? What are these? Ce sont des voitures. That means these are some cars. Now, here we have is une, a, c apostrophe, fille. So, the answer would be qui est? Who is this? C'est une fille. It's a girl. So, here we have the part 5, which is des, son, élèves, ce, which is qui est? Ce sont des élèves. That means who are these? These are some students. Now here we are the question number 2, that is compléter avec ces ou ce sont. That means complete using this or these are. So firstly we have is une femme, which means a woman. So this is a woman. The answer would be c'est une femme. Then we have is un stylo, which is a pen. So the answer would be this is a stylo. Then we have is des étudiants. That means some students. So here we have is ce sont des étudiants. These are some students. Next we have is des tables. That means some tables. So here we have is ce sont des tables. That means these are some tables. Now here we are the question number 3, that is écrivez les nombres en lettres. That means write these numbers in letters. So these are the English ones and we need to write them in French. Firstly we have is 44, which is 44, 32, 32, 26, 26, 58, 58, 77, 77, 85, 85, 60, 60, 93, 93, 78, it's 78, 89, it's 89. Now here we are the question number 4, that is calculer les nombres et écrivez en lettres. That means calculate these numbers and write in letters. Firstly we have is 40 minus 18, which is 40 moins 18 égale 58, which is 58. Then we have is 80 divided by 4, that would be 80 divisé par 4 égale 20, that means 20. Then we have is 35 multiplied by 2, well the answer is 35 multiplié par 2 égale 37, that means 37. Then we have is 56 plus 40, that would be 56 plus 40 égale 96, that means 96. Then we have is 90 plus 10, well that would be 90 plus 10 égale 100, which means 100. So now here we are the question number 5, that is retrouver les noms et relier les colonnes. That means retrieve the names and match the columns. In this, firstly we'll decrypt the letters and then match them. Firstly we have is ELFRU, which is fleur and it's a flower. BRARE, which is arbre, that means a tree. LALBNO, which is a ballon and that means a ball. And then we have is ILFLE, which is a fee. Fee means girl. Then we have is IMONAS, which is maison, that means house. LOEV, that means vélo. Vélo means a cycle. So let's match them. Ballon, fille, maison, vélo, fleur, arbre. So that's it for today's video. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. With that, thanks for watching. Bye bye and have a nice day.